We're gonna make a pancake mix. So all we need is a bowl, a whisk, semi-skim milk or whatever milk you have, and self-raising flour. There you go, guys, and an egg. That's all we need. So break the egg first into the bowl. And then flour. If you're gonna ask me how many is that, maybe just 1 cup. And then milk. As you mix them together, it's up to you if you want it more thicker or more thinner. It's up to how you want your mixture. But this mixture we're making is more of like, this is not a fluffy bread pancake. This is like more of like Yorkshire pudding mixture. So it's kind of like a bit, it's fluffy, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like, as long as you can pour it into a pan and for it to spread.
Yeah.
Sort of thing. The consistency's got to be like,
it doesn't have to be very thick or very thin, isn't it?
yeah, just in
enough.
the middle.
Yeah. So yeah, guys, so you just have to whisk it. Or if you have like, what do you call that? The electric one, you can use that as well.
Food mixer.
Food mixer. So likewise, I just have to mix them all together. Instead of buying the grocery, instead of buying the grocery, the mixture, you can just make it your own. And at the same time, you know what you put in your mixture. You know what's the ingredients because you're the one making them. And then all you have to get is a pan and an oil. And then we'll show you later how we do this. So just continue stirring them until you think the consistency is right. So we don't, as you can see, we don't really have a measurement. So it's just up to you how you want your mixture to be like.
But just like that. Just so it's like that.
Yeah.
Not too thin, not too thick.
Yeah.
Just enough so it will spread in the pan and cook evenly. So this will make about 10 pancakes.
10 pancakes. Yeah, and then you can put different stuff in your pancakes. Up to you. You can put cream, you can put honey, you can put sugar, you can put fruits. It's up to yourself what you want, or maple syrup. And we'll show you that later, guys, when we start the cooking.
That's it.
Right, and then we'll set that aside, don't we?
Set that aside until for an hour.
Alright then. So that's it, guys.
So there you have it.
Mixture for pancake. So now that's our mixture. We put it in the pan together with a bit of oil and then a mixture into the pan.
2 spoonfuls of this.
Right.
2 of these.
Right.
Tricky bits turning up, so
Yeah.
mind you quick.
That's it, guys. And here, oh, there. Yep, look, it's cooking nicely, our mixture. That's our pancake mixture. And we have here, look what we have here. We've got this maple syrup. We've got Asta smooth peanut butter. We've got as well here honey, and we have as well chocolate. I'll show you. Everyday Tesco chocolate spread. And we've got as well maple syrup and squirty cream and strawberry. So you can put anything you want as toppings, guys. It's up to your choice. So you can put sugar as well. Some people use sugar, or some people just use maple syrup like myself. But yeah, if you want to be more sweet tooth, you can put more fruits, and you can put as well squirty cream and all other bits. So yeah, so this is pancake day here in England. That's why we're making a pancake. which is today, Tuesday the 25th of February 2020. So that's one ready there, guys. And then we just put it in there with a bit of a sheet of napkin just to dry it, just to drain the oil from it. So yeah, so that's us now making for another one. As you can see,
Just put the topping on.
yeah, and then now we can put some toppings. So like what I said, you can choose whatever toppings you want, but me, I think I would just put a bit of the maple syrup and the strawberry. Pancake number 2. So there you go, guys, our pancake with maple syrup and strawberry, and then we're gonna squirt some cream as well.
Yeah, I'll squirt it for you.
That's it, guys. So that's our homemade what do you call this again? This is the homemade pancake with maple syrup, strawberry and cream. So yes, guys, enjoy.